What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be replacing a oxygen sensor, actually all of our oxygen sensors on the 2004 Avalanche coming up. Now what's going on, guys? Today we are replacing the O2 sensor in the Avalanche. Ours have 4 before the cat and after the cat, so in a V8 you're going to have 4 because there's 2 cats, so it's going to be one in front on the other bank, and then there's 2 after on the banks. In order to tell your banks, this is how it goes. You have bank 1 sensor 1, bank 1 sensor 2, bank 2 sensor 1, bank 2 sensor 2. Bank 1 is usually determined by where cylinder 1 is. On that side is bank 1. The other side will be bank 2. So I ended up replacing all of them because for maintenance, I like to have everything replaced at the same time. That way nothing is irregular, nothing is going to go bad when I'm mid-driving. Usually when one goes bad, the rest are bound to follow. So they're all replaced. Everything should be up to par now. What does an oxygen sensor do? Oxygen sensors are there to record basically how much oxygen is in the exhaust gases. That way the computer can know how much air to fuel ratio to mix in the engine. If an oxygen sensor is bad, it can cause irregular running. It can cause a little bit of issues here and there, and you will definitely know. So we're just gonna replace it out, and here's how to do it. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed that really quick episode on how to replace your oxygen sensor. I know the angles weren't that great. I had to do it on the floor, very tight spaces. It was hard to get the camera into certain angles for y'all, so I try to do the best I can, but it's super straightforward. It's really easy. For this specific sensor for the Avalanche, all sensors are going to have different sizes, but for this specific one, it was a 22mm wrench that I used. So you just plop it on this end and you break it free, and then you just unplug the sensor. As you can see right here on the sensor, when you plug it in, it'll go all the way in and snap over, and then there will be like a little green tab that you push through to hold the sensor from coming out. That really is something that you should make sure that you put on. That way your sensor doesn't have any chances of coming out. Other than that, super straightforward and easy. So the tools that you can use is either a 22mm wrench, like I said before, or this. This tool here is called an oxygen sensor removal tool socket thingy. It's cut here, so that way the wire doesn't impede when it's going on. And you can use a regular ratchet to get it off. So it's super cool, super easy to use. So we're gonna pretend this oxygen sensor is in the cat, right? This is how you use it. Take the socket tool with the ratchet on, put it over, and there you go. And then you can turn and it'll turn it out. As you can see, the wire gets like pushed in, so it holds it better. That's why there's a cut here for this. It works really well. You guys should definitely get one, pick it up. I'll leave the link in the description for this. And if you're interested in one of these, get it. It does wonders and helps you out tremendously, especially in places that you can't get the wrench to ratchet. Because one of the cat, bank 2 sensor 1, it was very difficult to tighten it up with the wrench. So I needed to use this to tighten it up. To get it off was easier. To tighten it up gave me a little bit of problems. But this definitely comes in handy, so pick one of these up. Other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick episode. If you did, leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you liked it. Also, hit the like for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.